Welcome to GivePlus, the church giving app for St. Paul Lutheran Church. It's trusted by more churches than anyone else to grow giving. It's by Vanco. Android instructions. Start your Google Play Store. The icon should look similar to the one on the screen right now. Look for the triangle. Once you've started the Play Store, it's time to search for and install GivePlus. Click on the top of the screen where it says Google Play and type GivePlus. Select GivePlus. Now choose Install. Now choose Open. You can choose to give it access to your location or not. That's your choice. You want to search for St. Paul Lutheran Church by zip code. It's the easiest and fastest way. Our zip code is 10950. Find St. Paul and click on St. Paul. Congratulations! You've installed the app. It's now time to either set up an account or sign in for one-time use. Thank you very much for watching this video.